Karen.
Hi, Dad.
Today, as always, is cooking show.
I am Ira Mariam.
So our team today going to prepare one of the best Ukrainian dish.
Holubtsi.
Holubtsi! Yes! Do you like holubtsi, Маринчик? Why?
Because they got boca pushtige.
Probably you know them as cabbage rolls. For cabbage rolls or holubtsi, we need, of course, cabbage.
Cabbage.
You can use normal cabbage, but my mom found that sometimes a normal cabbage can break. So she started to use sweetheart cabbage. It's much more softer. But you can use both, one or other. So we need glass of rice.
Okay.
We usually take round rice, but you can take also a long rice. It depends that you like. We also need meat. We take half of kilo of meat.
Carrots.
Carrots. 2 carrots. You can take.
Onion.
Afraid of onion. You need 1 big onion or 2 small onion, but Marianne scared of onion, yeah, because it make you cry. Understand. What we need more? We need, of course, oil. You can use normal oil or oil. We take oil. For making sauce, you need tomatoes. We take these tomatoes. And probably 2 spoons of sour cream for make it more tasty.
Yeah.
First of all, on the small light, we boil our rice. For 1 glass of rice, we need 1.5 glass of water. It should to stay on the small light about 10 minutes and be half cooked. In the same time, our mom drove a picture of the 2 dogs. This cute sheep's also one of her artwork. She was inspired by local farm life. If we go to Barnsbury, we can see wonderful fields with sheep, with cows. Unfortunately, she does not speak English, but she feels all surrounded around. She joined art classes, and you can check her artwork on Instagram, Portrait from Ukraine. Meanwhile, we take our cabbage and we need to take off its leaves. So my mom told that you should cut the whole area of the core. So we have our leaves here and we need to put them in the hot water. So we put the leaves into the pan and pour the hot water. And when it started to be boiled, you need to turn it off and it should stay in the water about 10 minutes. When you see that the leaves are soft, you need to take them off, because if they will be in the water too long, they can break. Now we need to cut our onion and grate our carrots. sauce, we fried onion and carrot. First we fry onion a bit and after carrots on the oil. At least all our ingredients are ready and we have our assistant Marianchik. Are you going to help me roll holubtsi? He's busy. So into the meat we put rice. Yeah, mixed up. Oh, and also fry onion with carrots. Just half, because half we need for outside. Like this, yeah?
Yes.
Mama is our expert in cooking, so she give us her recommends. And by the way, I forgot that we need 1 egg into the rice. Marianchik, your favorite part? Marian like beaten eggs. We are waiting. This is very interesting for kids. Very interesting process because they like mixing things. They can help you. So I encourage you to get your kids and cook holubtsi together. By the way, we need salt, Marian.
Salt.
How much salt?
A little bit.
You can try. If it's salt, it's okay. Marianchik. Yes. You can add the different spices, different garble that you have. For instance, we have garble. Yeah. Just like this. And like this. We take pork spicy. Because Ukrainians normally use pork meat for holubtsi, but if you don't eat pork, you can use other meat, like chicken or bacon. Very nice, Marianchik. You are good chef. Do you like cooking, Marianchik?
Yeah.
Just sometimes take a long time, yeah, Marianchik? Like we cook holubtsi already for, I think, 2 hours.
Yeah.
At the bottom of the pan we put just leaves from cabbage. You can use any leaves. So in such way it will not be burned. And on these leaves you put our cabbage rolls. So here we need to mix up a special sauce for holubtsi. First of all, we take tomato juice. This we pour it inside. Also, we need sour cream, 2 spoons. Ukrainians like much sour cream. So we mix up like this. We need to pour there 2 spoons of oil. I'm like professional cook. And the rest of our onion and carrots. You are very strong. Give me 5. Ooh, you just wrong. Так, okay. So it's ready, and we pour everything into our cabbage roll. Here we are.
Yeah.
Okay, we have very nice sauce. And at least we need laurel leaves. Two of them. Ukrainian ladies like much to use laurels into their different dishes. Mom. So you can see how nice looked our holubtsi under the sauce. So, you are ready to cook? Rench.
Yep.
And don't forget to pour water there.
Але потім, щоб воно туди по всьому.
You should to pour there a lot of water. The water should to cover holubtsi. It should to be like this. Okay, and now they are boiled. My mom has special secret. In order they don't up, she cover it with plate like this. Make the light less, and in 1 hour they should be ready. So just look. It's smell delicious, and we take off the leaves. You can throw them and take just one by one on the plate. Some of them breaked, as you see. But the sweet part, cabbage. Marianchik.
Sit. Are we ready for new one?
Are you ready for holubtsi?
Yep. Yep. I'm ready. Can I cut this first? Can I cut
Yeah.
it first?
You can cut it. Try it.
Listen good.
So at least we did it, yeah, Marianchik? So hope you will like it if you cook. Enjoy your dinner.
Enjoy